really wanted to experience this offline course where I could meet with peers, interact with professors, and understand the industry perspective.
Hi, Yasha.
Hi Ayushi.
To begin with, tell us about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Yasha and I come from a background of biotechnology and clinical research, business operations, and healthcare systems. So all these diverse background I'm coming from, it's of healthcare, technology, and academia. And now I want to thread all these different functions into something meaningful that could actually create some impact over lives. That's the reason I'm doing this product leadership course. I have got 8+ years of experience across biotechnology, clinical research, healthcare operations, and health systems.
Okay, so to add on, share one lesser known fact about yourself.
Okay, so talking about lesser known facts, I'm an explorer. I want to visit different places, and that too to a different new place. It's not like a cliche place where people go and just be there and it's on hike, but something, I want to discover a place and maybe, find it out myself and connect with the locals, the communities, and try to understand what they're going through, their problems, and even their uniqueness, like how they are able to even manage in those environment.
Got it. So 1 year from now, aspiration on a career perspective, where do you see yourself?
Okay, so post 1 year, right, we will still be in the same journey of product leadership, but definitely at a much stronger place. And I believe that I want to see myself at a product leadership role where I could actually do something into the health tech part and create some impact on lives of people. That's what I'm looking forward to.
Got it. Okay. What are the 2 unique aspects that made you choose this program?
So first, the most important thing was it was an offline campus. So post COVID, we have actually lived in that that online digital era a lot. So I really wanted to experience this offline course where I could meet with peers, interact with professors, and understand the industry perspective through the industry people who are coming to visit us. And a lot of learning, right? I mean, when we actually interact and be in person, then you get to grow. Even your personality grows a lot. So that was the most important thing.
Got it. Amazing. So lastly, how do you feel to be back to school again?
It's really exciting.
Yeah.
Looking forward to the journey and growing along everyone. Oh my God.